Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta easy and tasty step by step. Bring 4 quarts of water to a rolling boil, add 1 tablespoon of salt, and stir. Add pasta and cook to al dente, usually 2 to 3 minutes shy of package direction. Save 1 cup of starchy pasta water before draining to marry sauce and pasta smoothly for a glossy finish. Bring water vigorously to boil, add salt, then add pasta, stirring for the first minute to prevent clumps. Keep boiling at high heat and set a timer for the lower end of the package recommendation. Taste for al dente texture, which should be tender with a slight bite. Before draining, reserve about 1 cup of pasta water to loosen your sauce and improve adhesion when you combine them. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how people think about money and saving, and it pairs surprisingly well with practical habits like meal planning. Check the description for the link and other deals. It's a small resource for big mindset shifts. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Heat your sauce in a wide pan, then add drained pasta and toss over medium heat so flavors marry. Pour in a few tablespoons of reserved pasta water at a time, stirring until the sauce clings to the pasta. Add a splash of olive oil, grated cheese, and fresh herbs for brightness. Taste and adjust salt or acidity, then plate immediately for best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.